What's going on, guys? Christian here from CK Wraps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the website and subscribe to our mailing list for our exclusive offers on new products. Now, the F-Type is all wrapped. This car was black. Couple things that we just kind of left was around the window because it gives it a nice look for the top. And then the mirrors are carbon fiber, so those didn't get wrapped. Little front lip in the middle here, that didn't get wrapped either. Otherwise, we did a ton of work on this thing. So this is wrapped in Avery Satin White. Again, you can get this film in the description below, as well as some of the tools that I use for the installation process. Car's wrapped in satin white and it looks gorgeous. It shows it off really well. You know, I'm a huge fan of black cars, love them, but again, this just looks really, really good. So a few other things that we've done here is this front grille area, or this piece around the grille, comes like a Nardo gray. That's wrapped in 3M satin dark gray. And then the hood vents are wrapped in gloss carbon fiber, Vivid's gloss carbon fiber. The vehicle is ceramic coated 3 stages, so super smooth, super glossy, not super glossy, super smooth, super silky, and it's going to hold up really well over the winter time, especially, you know, if he plans to drive it at all throughout this winter. It's been a little bit brutal, but that will definitely prevent staining and yellowing of the film. A film like this is very volatile, okay? Not quite like matte white, but again, almost like matte white, where it's very volatile and it can take staining very easily. So protect your wrap. You know, it doesn't cost much to go out there and get it done. I guess depends on where you go, and I guess depends on how much money you have, but it's well worth it as far as an investment goes. So if you are someone who is getting their car wrapped, ceramic coat your car. If you plan on keeping it for a little while, I would say if you're planning on keeping it for over a year, ceramic coat your car. If you're going to change your wrap once a year, don't bother. Again, it's not absolutely necessary. It also depends on where you live. But the Ceramic Pro 3-stage process actually protects it from UV, which is crazy. I've got a video demonstration to do later on of that actually working, but it's incredible. So let's go. We're going to just kind of walk around the car here and did a couple of other things, nothing crazy, but we'll give you a better perspective of what it actually looks like. So that hood is massive at 84 inches by about 64 inches. We've got the ghosted decal down the side of the car. There's a piece that I didn't actually trim off yet. Good thing, because I just finished this, so I just noticed it. Let's make sure it's nice and tight, and then trim that off. There we go. Some of you are going to actually notice that hanging off. I'll go over the car anyways when I'm done, before it leaves, just to make sure everything's tight. So we've got the ghosted decal on the side, blacked out the Jaguar lettering and emblem, and then the tail lights are actually done with a two-tone. So the tail lights are wrapped in light smoke, and then on the outer ring I did dark smoke. Now I use knifeless tape to do this. It's very simple to do. One day I'll do a video demonstration of how I do that. And then we also have the rear diffuser piece right here. Just a thin pinstripe all the way along, customer's request. This car had been wrapped previously, so they had used some primer and stuff like that on the edges. It was fun to clean off. Messed up a couple of very small edges, a little bit on the bottom of the bumper here, but nothing crazy, just due to them on their last install. And that's it. So I don't know how the condition of the wrap was. I didn't remove it. It was already removed before I got the car, but there was pieces left around the edges, corners, I guess hard areas or difficult areas to remove the wrap from. That's where some wrap was left behind. Again, when you have Primer 94 on your car, it's a little bit hard to clean off. So keep in mind that if you do use primer or adhesive promoter, it's difficult to clean off. Don't use too much. And you know, when you are removing the wrap off the vehicle, make sure you clean it. Otherwise, guys, let me know what you think about this thing. I think it looks sexy. It's amazing. Really brings out a lot of the body lines of the car with the satin finish. Shows it off really, really well. I especially like the lower side lip area, like underneath the rocker panel. That was, I think that's originally black down here, but we did it white, and it really makes the car look a lot lower. Gives it a nice aggressive look. And that's pretty much it. So a ton of work on this thing, and yeah, that's it. Guys, if you like the car, don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see some more videos. There's always tons coming up. Again, I appreciate you watching. Thank you. Take care.